So you know the massive value. Like you've got the whole world of digital planet in your hand for a ridiculous price, and by the time you have 3 sales, nobody doesn't matter who makes those sales, the company, your team, you, you know, Mother Nature, whatever happens, you got 3 sales, your business is covered, and that is already massive. What do you get in return? There's no company will give you the value that you're getting, or the many products, or the cumulative impact of what we have in Onpassive. So the last thing I want to say, you think so far you got a lot of digital products and everybody's a user and all that, but for the first time ever, I want to let you know, I think some of you curious enough to have picked up this idea before. I hinted, or maybe knowing me, we also have physical products in Onpassive, okay? Not just digital, so it's not digital. We have disruptive, okay, products. I'm gonna say this on the public here. One of our products is being reviewed and thought after from the United States military, Army, some other, this is how crazy it is, and it's done, and we have found manufacturing abilities, and also it's not about the money. We're talking about life safety, we're talking about children's safety, I mean, women security, it's made, you know, for the humans. So I cannot go further because it's public. I want to leave some juice for the webinars and the founders' privacy. But if you think you know Onpassive,